Hi and welcome back, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to duplicate content on your website. So really, why would you want to do that? Well, you might just set a web page up and you are going to add a content block that maybe you've got on another page, but you just want to move it across and then actually change the text that's on that block. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to do that. So what I've done is I brought you over to this page that I'm just setting up, and at the bottom of the page I want to add the simple video resources, and an example of that is if we go to say check website mobile, and then if we scroll down, this is the block that I'm talking about that I would like to move over to the page that we've just been on. So to actually do that, all you would do is go up to the cog and then you want to duplicate it. Now this box comes up here. So if I scroll down and I want to move it across to, where is it? Over to this one here. So what I would do is click on that, and then this automatically moves that across to the actual page that I wanted to add it to. Now in most cases it'll add it to the top, but there's no panic with that. If you click the cog and then just do the down arrow and then again, and then all you're doing is moving it to the bottom of the page. So just one more, and there you go, this is down at the bottom of the page now. And then all I will have to do is just change over the actual name of the website. So if I just copy that, and then if I scroll down, and then all I would do is just replace that in there. And then obviously, as you know, we can change the color as well. We go there, click that, get rid of that force there. And then all I will do now is, I won't do this on the video because obviously you can come and have a look at this page if you want. I will just change the content down there. It's telling you that it's not published, so you would actually click that and then you would publish the draft, and then obviously that would add it to the website. Well, I won't do that until I've done this. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and again, like I say, if you've not subscribed then please do. Or just drop me a thumbs up at the bottom of the page, which obviously helps the channel. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.